Prosthodontist is one of the specialty recognized by American Dental Association. We are the specialist dealing with replacing missing teeth, anything that ranges from dentures to dental implants or common things that most people see. But what separates us from most of the general dentists or restorative doctors is we deal with a lot of complexity of the cases. During our residency, we go through a lot of the literatures, we go through a lot of the cases with the peers, and then we study how to resolve that certain problems, more systematic approach. Lately, my practice has been special more towards failed implant or failed restorations, and then patients are looking for that type of solutions. We call it revision cases, meaning some of the cases that's been done many years, so now we have to redo that cases because the crown needs to be replaced or the implant restoration needs to be replaced. But sometimes the implant angles are not in the right position, and it's very challenging because we were not involved in the first treatment, but then we try to find a systematic approach so that patient can have the restoration that they have or another 10-15 years. So that's what we are focusing on. So prosthodontist, it's a very rewarding specialty because we are the specialists that can give our patients the solutions that no one can give. That's the rewarding part of being a prosthodontist.